Do you want to install your hair but you don't have the spray, the got to be spray, those things? Okay, chill, don't worry. There are ways you can do it without those things. Yeah, because that's basically what I just do to accomplish this. So if you want to know how I do it, keep watching. I gotta take this shirt off. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I install this wig in some unprofessional way. The reason why I say unprofessional is because I don't include those go to be spray and those things. So this is basically like a hack that you need to know. The first thing first I'm going to do, I got this. This is so tight. I think I want to pull my lashes now. Okay, so this is the wig I'm going to be installing, and I'm probably going to style it, I guess. Yeah, so this body wave wig, you guys see me with it most of the time. I want to try my best to close this. It's a frontal wig, as you can see. I also need my concealer. I just put a little there. I mostly want it at the front. Anyway, I'm going to do the middle pattern here. Yeah, didn't really do a lot, but this should be enough. There is no freaking way. This is how my front looks like. So you can see this really match my skin. Throw this out. Now here is where the magic happens. I have my clip here. I'm going to hold here, and I'm going to hold here. Yep, we have this already here. So this is how it looks like. You guys know already. If you know this cream, like, you know. This inside, because I really want everything inside. there is actually a way you can improvise shit. Let's go back to this. Like, you can easily see it, or probably when you go to the beauty salon or anywhere, you can see this. So this is actually a keeper, a saver for me. It's really a stronghold, so you should have this in your house. I'm going to try and style it, so I'm just going to give it different section.
They asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I toy. No comparison. I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? What was happening? Bitch, I'm a savage. Hips tick-tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low then swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek, please don't give me hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina, I'm a savage.
I really love the way I'm looking right now. No, come use your regains, boy, my blues are rhythm now. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I decided not to do a lot of makeup. I just did the lip liner and applied my lipstick, got on my lashes, lifted my brows, and basically that's it. And oh yeah, I know. So guys, this is how it looks. I really love this. Oh my god, I love to make my edges really, really thick. I mean, so you know that, okay, there is the edges on. I need to go out. I just got this jacket on and I really feel sexy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in a new video very soon.
Paving this shit crank.